You carefully select the product and eagerly await its arrival with great joy. However, when the supplier sends you the package as scheduled, you find that the product is faulty. This is really disappointing.
Welcome to HLC. In today's video, I will introduce you the most common problems that arise during the mental part manufacturing. And we will dive into the reasons behind these problems and offer practical solutions based on our years' production experiences. Like and subscribe to stay updated. From the design to the final production, each product like a game with levels, and each requires different and specific conditions to pass. If you fail to pass it, this time we need to go back to check out which conditions from the following part we haven't been met. First is appearance requirements, and 2 is dimensional requirements, and 3 is the performance requirements. Next, let's see what's required to pass this level.
After receiving a customer inquiry, we first review the product drawings to determine the right materials and process, offering suggestions for engineering and production design. For example, if a large bending angle might cause cracking, we recommend increasing the chamber size. Throughout the new product development, it will make various attempts, and if requested, we will also manufacture samples based on customer drawings. Due to factors like dimensional parameters and material properties, the mold sample surface makes heavy cracks, burrs, indentations, or pits. Though small, these problems can significantly impact the entire manufacturing process.
HLC has proven methods to address this problem, praised by many customers. Stay tuned for upcoming videos for detailed explanations. Don't forget to follow us. After sample production, operator inspect the sample's appearance first. If there are no problems, it will send to the quality control room for the further steps.
In the quality control room, inspectors conduct a first inspection based on drawings and tolerance standards. Once all dimensions pass the inspection, the sample receives approval for mass production, and the large-scale manufacturing can proceed. Throughout the entire production cycle, quality control person conduct random and full-scale inspections of products, keeping records and samples to ensure high quality and customer satisfaction.
Dimensional inspection guarantees the better form of parts, but the actual performance needs to be verified through the performance tests.
During this stage, we must ensure that every part can withstand rigorous tests like coating test, salt spray test, and torque test, proving their durability for daily use or extreme conditions.
Through this series of process, you can see HLC's excellent quality management system. And thanks to this comprehensive system, HLC maintains a low defect rate of 0.01% to 0.02%. And our high-quality products have resulted in satisfied customers, helping HLC to obtain the prestige ISO 13485 and IATF 16949 certification. If your product is an automotive part, you can choose a manufacturer with IATF 16949 certification. And for the medical device components, you can choose the supplier with ISO 13485 certification. Okay, this is all for this video. And in the next video, I will introduce to you the reasons of defects in processing defects and solutions to overcome these challenges. This is ongoing videos, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for your watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.